Fold the edge over by ½ inch to make the casing. Then, double fold the seam allowance and sew it down. This part is a little harder than I thought. If you are a beginner sewer, I suggest making a deeper seam allowance. It will make this step much easier. Now, let's make the drawstrings. I'm connecting 3 strips together to make one long drawstring. Join the pieces like this, then repeat the same steps to make the second one. There are many ways to make straps. You can use ribbon or try a different folding method to create your own. Don't worry about making it exactly the same. Choose the way that feels easier for you. It's totally up to you. The hardest part is done. We've finished the casing and drawstrings. When adding the casing, sew down both edges, then stitch one more line in the middle. This creates 2 casing channels for the drawstrings. Notice that one side is 11 inches and the other side is 9 inches. The longer side is the back piece and the shorter side is the front. After you finish connecting the body pieces, sew the front, back, and sides together. Now it's your turn to be creative. You can add the ruffle hem, or you can leave it plain like this. In my case, I added a ruffle hem using 4 bandanas on the front and 4 bandanas on the back to create a fuller, more dramatic look. Keep the side seams open while adding the ruffle hem. Gather the ruffle pieces evenly. Then sew them along the bottom edge of the cover-up. This time, I'm using only 1 drawstring. When I used 2 drawstrings, the design didn't look good, so I changed it to 1. Start from the outside shoulder edge, thread the drawstring all the way through the end. Then, turn and bring it back through the next casing channel. And we are done. Now let's try it on.